Most of you already know that GSAT is now history, right? Not the subject, just that it's now the past way of testing if you're ready for high school. And the future is PEP. Many things will change with PEP, but needing to do well at math is not one of them. And this leads us to what better way to start off Mathlympics at New Green Primary School than with an informative and engaging math pageant? Miss Algebra and a host of other math concepts took the stage to remind students just who they are.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to New Green Mathlympics. My name is Miss Algebra. Algebra is a part of mathematics in which we use letters to represent unknown numbers or amounts. For example, 2 multiplied by n equals 4.
After that enlightening math pageant, there were a host of other field and classroom math events to remind students that this numbers subject can be fun.
1, 2, 3, and math is fun and I like it. Math is fun and I like it. Math on a Monday, math on a Tuesday, math on a Wednesday, math on a Thursday, on Fridays too.
It's an idea I got from 2016 when I was at a Jamaica Day in Holland Primary and I saw the students running up and down. So I say, why not do it with math? Let us have fun running up and down with math. So I started looking at some games that we can tweak with math concepts. And I sold the idea to my team and they decided to run with it.
On the day, students from Porus, Christiana Moravian, Villa Road and New Broughton Primary came out in their numbers to engage in friendly math competition.
We have several games happening today. We have students doing estimation. The estimation game is where it's a relay, so we have students, we're two members to a team. The one person will run and take the question to the other. The other will estimate, for example, 1 liter of water in a 5-liter container. And the important thing is to get as close to the 1 liter as possible. So it's not about finishing first. It's about the person who can estimate a liter. Also have equivalence game, and this is where students are expected to find equivalent fraction for a given fraction, or even the decimal that's equivalent to a fraction. So again, it's a relay, and it is not about finishing first, but it is about getting the correct equivalent fraction or decimal. We also have the Tower of Hanoi. That one is a problem-solving game. So the students are expected to restack 5 tires that are stacked numerically from 1 to 5. They're expected to restack it on another tower exactly 1 to 5, whereby no big numeral can go on a small numeral. So they have to think through clearly as to what is it that they're going to do, the move they're going to make.
In between the games and races, students could be seen dancing to popular Jamaican hits. By the end of the day, all were winners because not only did they have fun, they were also rewarded for their hard work.
Hooray for mathematics! Hooray for mathematics! Someone in the class up! Hooray for mathematics! 1, 2, 3, 4. What you gonna do? Math with you!
Hooray for mathematics indeed! So you see, math can be fun, entertaining and rewarding. But don't just take it from me. Listen now as the students themselves share their thoughts on the all-math event.
But the question I want to ask is, what are some of the things that you learned, or did you learn anything from today?
Actually, I learned about the liters and milliliters because that is what I struggled the most with in class. So.
It was merely a revision for me because I went through all of this during my GSAT preparation. So it's a merely revision for me to just bring back my memory.
Today was fun. We participated several times and we didn't win, but at least I won a game.
My experience today, it was great. I participated in 2 races, the equivalent race and the one you have to fill the bottle.
I would say today was epic because I was having fun. My friends were having fun and my teachers was having fun. I could say today was one of the best days of my life.
And the students were not the only ones who enjoyed the event. A few parents who gave their support on the day shared similar sentiments.
Kessica, she don't really love maths. And today, to seeing her take part in it, it's an excellent thing.
The students are used to sitting in the classroom doing some questions for revision, but if they're doing it having fun, then naturally it's going to be cemented some more. So I think that this is a way of helping them to retain what is it that they would have learned, thus giving us better performance on the final exams.
We are truly happy for the collaboration, and we are hoping that other regions will buy into this vision and do the same.
For all the math lovers out there, I'm sure you enjoyed our show. For those of you who are not quite there yet, I hope this feature sparked some interest.